Let's talk about a new artificial intelligence technology called Dall-E2. So if you are into AI or graphic designing, this video is definitely for you. So if you're new to my channel, my name is AJ and I make contents related to technology and finance. So before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and let's begin. So Dall-E2 is a new AI technology developed by OpenAI that is designed to generate high quality images from textual descriptions. It is an extension of the original Dall-E, which was released back in 2021. So the main difference between the two is that Dall-E2 can generate more detailed and complex images than its predecessor. So using Dall-E2 is pretty simple, and you don't need any special software or hardware to get started. All you need is just an internet connection and a web browser. So here is how to use it.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to come over to your browser, then you search for OpenAI Dall-E2. So all you need is to click on the first result. Just click on it. Alright, so when you come over to the OpenAI website, all you need is to scroll down and click on Try Dall-E. Alright, now all you need, if you don't have an account, just click on Sign Up. So all you need is to just input your email address, and then it will take you to a page where you create a password and then sign up for an account successfully. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account right now. So alright, so when you have successfully logged into your account, all you need is to just input your description or what you want the AI to generate for you. So for me, for example, I have copied a sample description for the image that I want the AI to generate for me. So I'm just going to paste it right now so that we don't waste much time. Alright, all I say is generate an image of a purple dragon with yellow eyes sitting on a rock in front of a waterfall with mist surrounding it. So all you need after putting your description, all you need is to just click on generate to generate the image that you want. Alright, so just click on it. As you can see right now, the Dall-E is currently generating the image for me. Alright, as you can see, here are the results. Here are the pictures that the Dall-E2 has generated for me. So if you want to download any of the fakes, just click on it, and then I click on this download icon. As you can see it in the fake at the right at top. As you can see, just click on it and just click on download. As you can see, you now have the fake downloaded. So if you want to generate more images, all you need is to go back and then delete the description that you just wrote, and then you write the new description for the new image you want the Dall-E2 to generate for you. So as you can see, this is how you can easily generate images using the OpenAI Dall-E2. All you need when you comes over to the home page, just input the description of the image you want to be generated and just click on surprise me or generate an image, and that's all.
So while Dall-E2 is a powerful tool, there are some tips you should keep in mind to get the best result. So tip number one, be as specific as possible with your descriptions. So the more specific you are, the better Dall-E2 will be able to generate images that matches your description. So tip number two, experiment with different descriptions and don't be afraid to try out different descriptions to see what kind of images Dall-E2 can generate. And tip three, use high quality descriptions. Make sure that descriptions are well written and don't contain any grammatical errors or typos. This will help Dall-E2 generate more accurate images. And that's it. Now you know what Dall-E2 is and how to use it, and some tips to help you get the best result. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI related content. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.